In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate header in the same page in Kartra. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a header menu to your page so visitors can smoothly jump to different sections without leaving the page. Start on your Kartra dashboard. From here, head to Pages on the left sidebar to access your site content. Open all pages to see your full list. Then choose the specific page you want to work on so it opens in the page builder. This puts you in the right place to edit layout and navigation. Inside the builder, add a new block by selecting Add Section. This is where your header will live. Placing the header at the very top helps your audience find navigation instantly and keeps the experience consistent across the page. When the section library opens, look for Header Menus. This category contains pre-built navigation bars designed for both standard page links and smooth same-page scrolling. They come with common elements like logo space, menu items, and mobile toggles, so you can focus on structure and clarity rather than building from scratch. Browse the header menu styles and pick one that matches your brand and the number of sections you plan to highlight. Consider readability, spacing, and how the menu behaves on smaller screens. When you find a good fit, click it to add it to your canvas. Kartra will drop it into the section you created. With the header in place, you'll be able to tailor it for same-page navigation. In the header settings, you'll find controls to rename menu items and set each item's destination. Look for options that let you link to sections or anchors on the same page. That's what enables smooth scrolling to About, Features, Pricing, or any section you've laid out. Keep menu labels short and consistent with your on-page section titles to reduce confusion, and make sure each section is clearly identified so linking is straightforward. That's it. You've added a header menu and positioned it for clean, same-page navigation in Kartra.